going to explain what the Elluminate program is for. Elluminate is a way for all the people in the class to go to the same page, and I can explain things. We can ask questions. You'll be able to see me. I can see you if you have your video camera on, and we can look at the same thing at the same time. Sometimes it's easier to understand information if we can actually talk about it, and rather than using a discussion board. I think this really has an application when we get into the issues of understanding how to run data analysis and how to interpret it. If you log into Blackboard and go to your student view, there is a link to Elluminate, and there's an Elluminate folder. This folder contains information about how to configure your computer, make sure it's set up correctly, which for most people it's already set up that way. The other one is a link. If you click on this link, it will open up a window that looks like this. And if you just type your name in, click log in, within a few minutes you will get a session that looks like this, and your name will show up there. The couple of things you need to do is to go through this part, this audio check. If you'll click on the Tools, Audio Setup Wizard, it will make sure that your speakers and your microphone, and you do have to have a microphone to be able to participate in this, that'll make sure all that works. And really after that point, I as the moderator will take control of it. I do have the ability to turn on the webcam. If you have your webcam, it'll show up just like that. So if we have more people on there, more cameras will show up. Other than that, this is used. I can put anything on here. I can open up, for example, can open up the SPSS window. Yeah, it takes a few minutes for that to open up. There it goes. So that way you can see what I'm looking at, and this way I can show you how to put this information in here and open up existing data files. For example, in the next session or two, I'm going to give you some examples of what they've done in the book. So this is a way that we can look at that. And the way that I envision us doing this is that we'll have maybe 1 or 2 sessions a week. We'll find a time that everybody is available, like about 5 o'clock in the evening or 5:30, and we can all be there at the same time. We may have to do it twice a week, depending on people's conflicting schedules, but that's just an extra thing. That's really all there is to it. There's not, outside of making sure your computer is configured correctly, anything else beyond that I'll be able to help you with. When we send that session, when we set up the time, I'll be there. If you'll click on that link in Blackboard, you'll be there too, and that's really all it takes. And that's